Hey everybody, welcome to Frank the Tech Tank. I'm going to start doing more and more of these videos. I know it took a while for me to get started, but I am ready to get started. Today, we're going to do something simple today that some of you may or may not know about, but it's a pretty neat thing to know about Windows, a little tweak that they threw in there that not a lot of people know about. And what it is when you copy and paste something, you might copy something maybe down the line, maybe you copied something else and you want to go back to what you copied before. But, a lot of people don't know that there is a way to do that, to go back to what you copied previously. So that's what I'm going to show you today. What we're going to do for starters is go ahead and go down to search and type in settings. Go to the settings in your Windows. This works the same whether it's what's happening here. Alright, VirtualBox running a little slow. Okay, go to System and go down to Clipboard. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn this on. It says save multiple items to the clipboard to use later. Press the Windows logo key plus V to view your clipboard history and paste from it. So go ahead and toggle that on. And we're going to go ahead and close settings. So now I already have a notepad open. I typed a few things in here. What I'm going to do is go ahead and highlight this here. I like to copy and paste. Go ahead and copy that. Now, okay, pretend it's been a while. You copied something else, such as my wife also likes to copy and paste. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Now, something happened. You want to go back to what you copied before. So I'm going to go ahead and push on the Windows key and V. And look, there it is. I like to copy and paste. Click it again. My wife also likes to copy and paste. Which I know it's not a huge deal to some people, something like this. But a lot of people out there have run into this kind of issue, and it may help them along the way. Now, once again, this is going to be a short video for starters, but I am going to start doing more videos, maybe even to get into some editing, which I haven't done a lot of, but I'm going to give it a try and see how it goes. So until then, for future videos, go ahead and that's on my mind. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.